Interfaces are used within TypeScript in order to define the data types for a grouping of properties and methods. Here is an example of an interface. We are typically going to be exporting the interface so that we can use it in other files. Then we use the interface keyword, followed by an appropriate name. The name is usually in Pascal casing and is prefixed with the letter I. Inside of our interface, we've defined properties along with their data types. So this is the same as when we define properties inside of a class, except here we're not setting them equal to anything. We're only defining the property's type. And here we've defined a method. We've included the name of the method, any parameters along with their data types, and the return type, which in this case is of type void since nothing is being returned. Also notice how we're using semicolons at the end of every property and method definition. Interfaces essentially create a contract between the data and its defined type. If at any time this contract is not being adhered to, we'll receive an error in our editor, usually in the form of a red squiggly line. So the purpose of interfaces is to provide us with strong typing for groupings of properties and methods, which creates better tooling support as we build, debug, and maintain our code. So this means that interfaces and strong typing in general are development time features, so that when you're actually running your application, you won't be getting any console or browser errors if the data that you're displaying doesn't match your defined interface types. You'll just get potentially unexpected results.